Today we're down on Pleasant Hill. What we have here is a 70-foot poplar tree that's wedged into a bifurcated pine tree. It's a precarious situation. We noticed here that the tree unearthed because it's in a low-lying floodplain area. We've had to bring in a 70-ton crane for this particular job. So we're going to take this tree apart from the very top where we'll start, and we'll work our way down. We get to a point where we relieve the pressure spots, take the climber out of the tree, and try to re-earth the stump. So there'll be about a 35-foot stump, and then it'll be easier to take the rest of the tree down. This is a very dangerous and very complex removal that we're doing today. So we're hoping that everything goes well today, and safety first.
Omar Brothers Tree Service. Visit us online at www.treesbyomar.com or call us today at 678-478-4445 and ask about our video special. Quotes are always free.